This is the first time we've done explosions doing live commentary. So, let's just make some more explosions. Look at that, we're already off to a good start. Yahoo! Texas! I can't even do the original voices because my voice is just gonna give out. Dude! It's California! Oh boy. Oh god. Oh, this doesn't look good, baby! Yeah, see, I just can't do the original voices anymore. It's very sad. Mississippi is literally vibrating right now. Same thing with Texas. Holy crap! Oh my god! What was that? Jesus! Well, Texas and Cali survived, so that was obviously something happening to Mississippi. Well, that was a pretty quick explosion, and we're not even 2 minutes into the video. Wow. That was crazy. Let's see if we can do that again. Nebraska. Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go. They're moving. I mean, well, they're... Oh no. We're just gonna put them up here because I know that Arizona is just gonna make Texas come out of the boat, and then he's just gonna do a slow roll into the water. That is not what I want. I want them to explode into non-existent places. Oh. And that calmed them down, because Arizona is no longer moving around. Yo, New Jersey. I'm just gonna sit out of this explosion. Oh, and I knew it was Iowa. I just saw the word cedar and I thought, oh, Utah. Oh boy, here we go. Ohio always does weird things. Yes, I know Ohio is a dead meme, and I do remember, like, almost 3 months ago, I made a Roblox video called Escape Ohio. Yeah. Whenever, oh my god, whenever I started playing the game, or whenever I recorded the Escape Ohio video back in like March. Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. But anyways, the game had like 200 people playing it. I checked earlier this morning and there was only like 30 people playing it. So it's clear you can see that. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Look at all those lines. Oh, sweet mother of God. Oh my god. Oh. And it just shows the sky. That is great. Perfect. What the hell? California survived. How is that possible? How did he survive a god explosion like that? There is no way. There is no way in hell he survived that. That's crazy. Let's see if we can make Cali explode now. Although he's probably just gonna go into the ocean. Because that's what California likes to do. Well, I mean, yesterday we got him to explode. But, yeah. It's Wisconsin. I really want to explode right now. It's Virginia. See, I can't do those voices anymore. It's very heartbreaking.
South Carolina.
I mean, I can still do that one, but. And now they're going Godspeed. Oh. Let's make these two explode. Never mind, because apparently the western states have really completely solid all the way through. I don't know how to describe it. Oh God. Imagine, I just realized that Rhode Island is still here as well. He's so puny that I forgot I even got him as a state. Okay, now we're just making a tower. I feel like they're gonna explode really soon. Cause I hear the bonking noise. Let's put Florida in here. Oh my God. Holy crap. We're only 7 minutes in and we already have 3 explosions. Oh my God. That is incredible. That is just insane, to be honest. Honestly, I think for this video, I'm gonna try and get one more explosion in. Now we have 2 Floridas. With Tennessee and Missouri also up here as well. I really hope we can get Alaska for the last one. And there goes Utah. Oh boy. Arkansas. And goodbye, Tennessee. Rhode Island also survived that explosion? How? Rhode Island is basically just Maine 2.0. Oh boy, here we go. Florida and Montana do not get along, I guess. Is that Oregon? Oh. Oh God, now they're spinning fast. How have they not exploded yet? Oh God. Oh, mother of God. Okay. Idaho. I'm gonna put him down. Oh, God. Look at him go. Idaho is not really enjoying this. Now it looks like they're stuck there. West Virginia. Oh. Oh. Oregon has escaped with West Virginia. That's insane. Oh. What's the darker Florida doing down here? I was thinking of states that are west of Colorado. Alright, well, we got Nebraska in the mix, so this should be interesting. Wyoming. Oh, God. Alright, guys, well, that does count as an explosion because they went into the air. This is where we're going to end the video, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.